Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Raja Muhammad Ashraf bin Raja Adnan. My matric number is B09188863. Today I have task which is task from Grand Technology Hvac assignment, which my title is Solar Power Air Conditioning System Cleaning and Maintenance. First of all, let's go to the introduction. As we know, the air conditioning system is a worldwide system which is all countries use air conditioning system and also one of the major consume for electricity energy today. In other hand, to reduce the electricity by using power air conditioning system, the demand will increase because of changing working hours such as starting from 8 a.m. until 5 p.m. and increased comfort expectation and also global warming. Then we go to the design solar power air conditioning system. For solar power air system design is divided into a few types based on condition or requirement from the user or the building owner. Normally, a big building or the building that running 24 hours, such as the factory, will request the designer or engineer to recommend the best solution. In other hand, to reduce the electricity cost. The main purpose for this design is to ensure the system eco-friendly as well as energy efficient. As we know, even though this system using solar power, but the unit still need indoor and outdoor, but additional equipment is solar panel and also battery. Here the design. First, solar thermal cooling system. In this system, the water will be as a medium refrigerant while lithium bromide as the absorbent. Solar thermal, we call it the energy from the sun. As we see from the diagram, sun will hit the solar thermal collector and then this energy will flow to the thermal storage tank and go to the thermal aircon unit. Second, photovoltaic solar cooling system. This system operated on above photovoltaic power only and combination of photovoltaic technology PV with a grid power. Second, a hybrid system combine photovoltaic technology which is PV with a grid power. This system will automatically switch between solar and battery power. As we can see from the diagram, flexible to increase PV solar panel according to demand. So we needed 4 pieces solar panel which have 310 watt, and the sunlight will hit on that panel, then go to the 48 volts battery bank and 40 watt direct current to the outdoor unit and go to the indoor unit. Okay. And another diagram show 4 solar panel which each have 250 watt for each, and minimum for PV panel is 1000 watt, and there go to the chain controller and then we'll install in the battery. Then also go to the direct current 48 volts outdoor unit and go to the DC 48 volt indoor unit.
Hi, my name is Steven. Today I want to explain about system performance. First, solar absorption air conditioning system. It is environmental friendly since they use solar energy to drive absorption with clean water. Potential of solar absorption for cooling applications in office building in tropical. Silica gel and zeolic water combination used in prototypes. According to the performance, solar portion of solar absorption system is high as 63% with average temperature and relative humidity. Second, solar power rotary desiccant wheel air conditioning system. The performance coefficient was using MATLAB. The rotary desiccant wheel dehumidification capacity is proportional to the characteristic of both processed and regenerated air. To minimize the intake moisture content of processed air, the remaining part of interior air which utilized as regeneration air can be combined with fresh air. Third, MEPCM suspension in solar power air conditioning cold storage system. It is a suspension in solar power air conditioning cold storage system can save a lot of energy and enhance the efficiency of system. The concentration ratios of MEPCM suspension were 45% to 15%, where temperature is 21.48 degrees Celsius. Minimum thermal conductivity is 0.3407. The heat transmission performance of MEPC suspension is superior to the standard medium pure water. Fourth, SWCNT with R407C refrigerant. Effect of nano-refrigerants on the coefficient of performance was improved by mixing 5% single-wall carbon nanotube with R407C refrigerant at temperature of 283 to 308 Fahrenheit. Thermal conductivity of nano-refrigerant improved by around 50.6% at 305 K Kelvin.
Hi, my name is Sridharan Arumugan. I'm going to explain about the working principle of solar powered air conditioning system. First, place the solar panel on the roof means that they are absorbing solar energy and converting it to electrical energy that heats the roof. Then, the charge controller then regulates the electrical energy by either supplying it directly to the load or charging the batteries. Because the electrical energy from the PV module is in DC, the inverter will convert it to AC because the compressor requires AC to work. When a cold and low pressure liquid travels through the evaporator coil within the cooling chamber to absorb heat, the system begins to operate. The cold liquid that enters the evaporator coil is released as low pressure gas. The cold and low pressure gas is then carried outside and squeezed by the compressor to create a hot and high pressure gas. The hot gas is then routed into the condenser coil, where part of its heat is released when outside air is blasted over the coil. The hot gas condenses back into a warm liquid. The warm liquid is returned to the evaporator by passing via the expansion device, which lowers the liquid's temperature and pressure. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Idana Jahajunus. I will continue the description of energy saving for solar power air conditioning system. As we know, sunlight can be used as electrical energy that enable power supply to home and equipment. In addition, these are several options for solar power air conditioner. They are by use DC powered solar air conditioner, AC power solar air conditioner, and hybrid power solar air conditioner. DC power solar air conditioner use DC power generated by photovoltaic panel. Since the system does not require an inverter to convert power to alternative current, the system is optimal for off-grid application. AC power solar air conditioner are designed for existing power grid. It means the DC current collected from the solar panel is converted to AC current. Hybrid power solar air conditioner is a combination of electrical energy from the grid and solar energy. It aims to reduce the cost of cooling the entire space. The system also uses grid electricity to run the unit fan and solar energy to run the compressor. Of these three systems, hybrid solar air conditioner are the best as the system has been used by leading Hvac manufacturer and solar company to produce solar air conditioning unit in market. Other than that, the use of hybrid solar powered air conditioner is better than DC powered solar air conditioner and AC solar powered air conditioner. This is because it leads to higher cost saving without having to install the entire energy system. According to previous study that already made a comparison between solar and conventional air conditioning system, the result of their study show that energy saving can reduce cost saving and give birth to environmentally friendly properties. During the day, energy saving can be achieved faster than at night. This can be evident through a study conducted by Asadi, who state the energy saving increased rapidly starting at 7 am and then peaking at around 10 am to 4 pm, and it starts to recede until late at night. The issue of energy saving is very important because excessive energy consumption can lead to the large electricity consumption, increase environmental population, and can also negatively affect the ozone layer.
Okay, my name is Hvac, and now I'm going to explain the preventive maintenance of the solar power air conditioner. Solar power air conditioner is developed in order to save the electricity usage and to achieve maximum efficiency. Like any other mechanical and electrical system, the component of air conditioning may also malfunction, and it will affecting the overall functionality of the air conditioner unit. For example, cross filter, broken vents, broken fans, blower issue, frozen evaporator coil, and dirty condenser coil. And all these problems will impact on the air conditioning efficiency. With preventive maintenance, troubleshoot any emerging problem before they affecting the performance of air conditioning system. Maintenance inventation for a multi-component system based on the characteristic of stoppage, the remaining usable life of the system, and the criticalities of the component. Breakdowns are less frequent when all the components are working properly. Preventive maintenance reduces the burden on any portion of the air conditioning. Preventive maintenance can minimize the air conditioning operational costs. And last, preventive maintenance can help to save the cost and lowering the possibility of a breakdown as well as higher reliability. And preventive maintenance also covers the solar energy system, so it won't have to rely on the grid if the solar panel system malfunctions. Monitoring and maintaining the solar air conditioning will help to avoid costly repair or part replacement. Thank you.
So, we can conclude there are some topics like design, system performance, operation, energy saving and maintenance affect air conditioning system in daily solar energy consumption. The use of solar energy makes our Earth's cleanest and greenest by using energy source that are free from population. This can also save people from any unhealthy environment. That's all from us. Thank you.